2, 1. Oh, my bad. So make sure. Okay, guys. So recently we just did a video of me doing like a card trick that can fool 3 people at once. I don't know what this is called, but and I'm gonna be showing you guys the tutorial now. So, Dad. So we have the cards. They can be mixed up. You can let the spectator shuffle them if you want. So we're gonna pick the king. And actually the queens. 3 queens. Actually, I kind of found the jacks already. So I have the Jack of Hearts, Jack of Spades, Jack of Clubs, and Jack of Hearts. So they place it 1, 2, 3, and you can have up to 3 people for this trick. So you're going to say, I'm going to split the deck roughly in half, like 14, 15, 15. And that's actually what you need to do. So you got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So let's say, like I said, this is Dad's pile. He's got 14. Now I'm going to put 15 here and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 15 here. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then you should have 7 cards left over. I have 7 cards right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what you're going to tell your spectator, square up the deck. There's no sleight of hand in this trick or anything. So you're going to place your 7 cards down right there. You're going to tell them to pick up your card. This card, which is in case the Jack of Spades. And you can take they can take as many cards as they want. So they can take the whole deck if they would like. But they can take the whole deck, almost the whole deck. But just not not the whole deck. But you can place it right here. And then you take their card, which is Jack of Clubs. Place it here. Place as many cards as you want there, and then it's in the middle, and they can square it up. And then you have this one, which is the Jack of Hearts. You place that on top, and the 7 cards you have left over goes on top. So, and then we collect it. This one on top, this one, the whole deck on top. Basically like that. What I just did there. So now you guys are ready to do this. All you want to do is go, and you're going to tell your spectator, actually. Tell me, react if you can see your first card. Like, if you can see your cards, just tell them, like, what I said in the video. So, you go face up first, face down, face up, face down, face up, face down. Face up, face down, face up, face down, face up, face down, face up, face down. And you keep doing that over and over again. I'm trying to go super speed here. There's no sleight of hand in this trick. Nah. Okay. Watch the first part 1 of this trick so you guys can get an understanding of it. Okay, I'm placing that there. And you're going to say, well, actually it should be face up. You're going to say, did you see your card? They would say no. You can say, okay, I'm going to eliminate this deck. Now you're going to do the same thing again and again and again. So you're going to just keep doing this, and it has to be a full deck. And as you can see, the Jack of Diamonds is actually... Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And you keep doing the same thing. Okay, and you're going to tell them, did you see your card? And they'll say, no. Okay. I'm going to eliminate that upside down and put it on top. It doesn't matter where you put it, actually. And you can do this like one or two more times, I think. So you go face up, face down, face up, face down, face up, face down. I know that's getting annoying, but face up, face down, face up, face down, face up. Did you see your card? They'll say no. Your 3 cards, I should say. Okay. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And when you look, Jack of Hearts, they're like that technically. They're just like in a pattern, sort of. So you go King of Hearts, Jack of Spades. Well, you're really not going to save them, but... And then you can give it a nice snap of your fingers. And then the cards have magically are the only 3. So make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.